Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we have the 4th installment of my rainbow series. My green look, hence my green shirt. I have my lighting a little bit differently. Right now, daylight savings, it's only 6 o'clock and it's pitch black outside. I've already done my brows and I carved them out just on the top. I filmed this once, but didn't get any photos, no intro, no outro, just I don't even know. So we're here refilming. I'm just gonna throw some music over it because that's how I've done my last 2 videos. I'm okay with that. But don't worry, my next one will be very chatty. I'm just gonna throw on some music and we're gonna do our makeup. is my green look. The lip I originally did was the same lip liner, but instead of this Milani gloss, I added the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb on top, just to add more of like a neutral lip. But I wanted to keep this look all drugstore, and I mean, like, I'm obsessed. This highlighter, probably my new favorite highlighter. I think I used it in another video saying the exact same thing. I'm just obsessed with it. But yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up, or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them all in the comments down below, or at me on my social media, which is all Sassy Maddie, YT, it's name spelled terrible, Twitter, Instagram. Also go follow and shop my brand, Sassy Beauty. As always, all products will be listed and linked down below, as well as anything that you need information wise. Always check the description box. And with all that being said, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Don't know what to show.